In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and share a Google Drive link in just 5 minutes, efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're looking to share documents, photos, or any type of file with colleagues, friends, or family, mastering the art of creating a Google Drive link is essential. So, grab your digital notepad and let's dive into this simple, yet incredibly useful process. First, let's get started by accessing Google Drive. Navigate to your preferred web browser and type drive.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in, Google Drive will prompt you to do so. Enter your email address, click Next, and then type in your password. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to the main page of Google Drive, also known as My Drive. Once you're in My Drive, take a moment to locate the file or folder you wish to share. Google Drive's user-friendly interface makes it easy to organize and find your documents. If you're dealing with a newly uploaded item, it should be near the top. Now for the sharing part, which is surprisingly straightforward, look for the file or folder you selected, right-click on it and you'll see a menu appear. On this menu, find and click on the 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More button. This action will open up additional options for your selected item. Within this menu, you'll locate the Share option. It's your gateway to creating a shareable link. Click on Share and a new window will open. Here, Google Drive provides various options for sharing your file or folder. You can directly add people by their email addresses or get a shareable link. For today's purpose, we're focusing on the latter. Find and click on Copy Link. This button does exactly what it says. It copies a URL to your clipboard which points directly to the file or folder you're sharing. This link is now ready to be pasted and sent through email, messaging apps, or anywhere else you communicate digitally. It's important to note that by default, Google Drive sets the link to be accessible by anyone with a link, but you can adjust these settings based on your privacy preferences right before you copy the link. And there you have it. You've successfully created a shareable link for your Google Drive file or folder. Sharing documents and files has never been easier. And with this knowledge, you're now equipped to make collaboration and sharing a breeze. Remember, effective digital communication is all about utilizing the right tools in the right way. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I look forward to guiding you through more tech tips in future videos. Happy sharing!